At Duke Energy, safety is our #1 priority.
And we want our customers to be safe as well.
My name's Nick Esposito. I work for Duke Energy in Florida.
And I'm Elizabeth Bayless, and we both work for vegetation for Duke Energy. And much like our customers, we enjoy working in our yard.
We all know that it can get real hot and humid out, and if you don't take some precautions before you go outside, it can lead to some issues. A lot of times in the summer, we don't realize how much water we're actually losing, and you have to continue to hydrate in order to replenish those fluids.
You really need to start hydrating the night before. It's very important. People don't realize how much water they lose, especially in the summer with the heat indexes.
You should always make sure that you have water on hand. Even if you don't think you need water, just go ahead and take a break for 10-15 minutes and get yourself some water and rehydrate.
When people are working outside, the idea normally is to wear less because of the heat, but you really want to cover yourself up wearing a wide-brimmed hat, a long-sleeve, loose-fitting shirt, and long pants.
You should always wear sunscreen as well. While the long clothing does one thing, the sunscreen also just makes it so that you are extra protected. 2 pieces of clothing that are really important to have is safety gloves and safety glasses.
When you go to work into your yard, you want to survey the area you're going to be working, especially looking overhead because you may have above-ground utility lines.
While we often think of power lines overhead, we don't realize that many of them are actually underground as well. So you never want to start digging a hole without knowing what's there. It's not only power lines that are underground, you could have your water main there, cable lines. There's a lot of hidden dangers that we don't see. So before you start digging, make sure that you call 811 first. It's a free service and it can save you a headache later.
If you are surveying your area and notice that you do have tree limbs entangled in the power lines, do not proceed with trimming yourself. Please go ahead and call that number on the back of the bill and we can help you. We hope our customers can take these safety tips and keep their family safe while enjoying the beautiful landscape.
Duke Energy is working hard to be innovative in how we serve our customers. Our customers deserve a smarter energy future.
And we're determined to get there as responsibly and safely as possible. At Duke Energy, safety is our #1 priority, and we want our customers to remain safe too.